In this video, I'll be showing you how to add shadow or outline to any picture using Canva. From this to this or to this, you can add outline to an image, or you can add shadow to an image using Canva. So I'll be showing you how to do that right away. So this is the image I want to add shadow or outline to. So once you bring in your image into your workspace, you click on it, you click on edit. Once you click on edit, you come down, go to effects here, then you click on shadows. Under shadows, you're going to see outline, you're going to see glow. So we're going to try this. You see how it works. I'll click on outline. You can see it has given it a black outline. So if you want to change the color of the outline, you scroll down, you click here. I want to make it red. Can you see? This is red. Now you want to increase the size of the outline. You can increase it or reduce it as you want. You can increase the intensity or reduce it. So this is how you can add outline to an image using Canva. To also add a shadow, if you want to add a shadow, you can use this glow. All right, you can see it's glowing. You can change the color as well. You can change it to, let's say, blue. Can you see it? So you can increase the size. So it's like a shadow now. You can reduce it. You can increase the blur amount, or you can reduce the blur amount. You can increase the intensity as well. So this is how to add shadow and outline to any image using Canva. All you need to do is to import the image, then you click on edit. Under edit, you go to effects, you click on shadows, and you can either add a shadow, a drop, outline, page lift, or any other effect that you want. It is important to note that for you to do this, you need to have Canva Pro. So to get access to Canva Pro, click on the link in the description area of my video and get access to Canva Pro. Don't forget to like this video, like and subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment if this video is helpful to you.